Welcome to Code Fix, where you learn and enhance your programming experience. In this video we have shared how TypeError str object does not support item assignment. This error occurs when you try to modify a string in place by assigning a value to a specific index or slice of the string. However, strings in Python are immutable, which means their values cannot be changed after they are created. Here is an example of the error. When you run this code, you will find this kind of error. In this code, we try to modify the first letter of the my_string variable from H to H. However, as strings are immutable objects in Python, we cannot modify them directly using indexing like we do with lists.to. To fix the error, we need to create a new string with the modified value. Here's an example. Let's run this code. Here is the results. In this code, we create a new string by concatenating the lowercase letter h with the rest of the original string, which we obtain using a slice 1. The resulting string is then assigned back to the my_string variable, effectively replacing the original string. Finally, we print the new string to verify that it has been modified correctly.
Hopefully this video helps you to sort out the issue you were facing. If you still face problem or need further help, just write in comments. I will reply you as soon as possible. Before you go, if you like this video, you can subscribe for this channel for future videos, which can help and assist you further.